Hello everyone, that's here back again with another video, and today I have some bad news considering Samsung Cloud. So after the 6th of February this year, Samsung Cloud will no longer support app data backup, third-party applications backup, so that consider doing this yourself. So for example, if you're using Viber or such an application, it will no longer, Samsung Cloud under the backup settings will no longer backup your third-party application data, and also if you have already backed it up, it will delete it from the cloud. So even if you don't do backups after the 6th of February, your older backups data for third-party applications will be gone. So do something so that you can remain it, you can retain the information. So for example, under Viber, I will demonstrate you right now. When you go to it and when you go to settings, accounts, you have over here Viber backup. So be sure to back this up for example once a week so that it retains your data. Samsung Cloud is an amazing feature that I've already made a video about. You can check it out, and I've been using it since it came out, since I have this phone. It's just amazing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, be sure to check the video. Also, I will leave the full email to the Samsung Cloud users considering the update a backup into the link down into the description, so be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching, and keep this thing in mind. Peace.